To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. Under Content and Display, select Screen Time. Here you will see the option, Sleep Hours. Tap on it. Now, tap the slider next to Sleep Hours to enable it. You will then see a notification confirming that your sleep hours have been turned on. Now, tap on the time next to Start Time to set when sleep hours should begin. Then, tap the time again to save your changes. Your selected start time will be set for sleep hours. Keep in mind, the end time cannot be changed, as sleep hours automatically last for 8 hours from the chosen start time. To turn off sleep hours, simply tap the slider next to it again. If you turn them off for today, they will automatically resume tomorrow. To disable them completely, tap Turn Off Completely. The sleep hours will then be fully disabled, and they will no longer activate automatically on any day unless you turn them back on manually. So that's how you can set and manage sleep hours on TikTok.